What flavor of cupcake do you think of when I say cupcake? Chocolate, lemon, birthday, red velvet, caramel, or jalapeno? Yes, they're jalapeno cupcakes. I'm asking you this because everyone likes cupcakes. After I am done, you will learn to make sweet vanilla cupcakes with chocolate frosting. I will teach you the ingredients needed to make the cupcakes, how to mix the cupcakes, and how to top them with frosting so you can learn to make your own cupcakes. Now you need to know the ingredients. The ingredients are 1 cup powdered sugar, 1 3/4 cups flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, ½ a teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup unsalted butter room temperature, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup sour cream, 1/4 cup canola oil, 3 tablespoons vanilla extract, 2/3 cups milk. Here are the instructions. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a bowl, mix butter and powdered sugar. In a small mixing bowl, mix together eggs, sour cream, canola oil, and vanilla extract. Add egg mixture to sugar mixture and beat until just mixed. Set aside. Add the baking powder and the salt to the flour. Gently mix. Add the flour mixture to the wet ingredients and mix slowly. Add milk and mix slowly until just mixed. The batter will be liquid. Fill cupcake liners just over half full. Bake for 14 minutes and then test to see if they are done. They are done when a toothpick comes out without any wet batter on it. If they are not done, bake for 2 more minutes, then test. When they are done, put them on a cooling rack immediately to cool completely before putting frosting on them. Now let's make some chocolate frosting for the cupcakes. The ingredients are 1 cup softened butter, ½ a cup sifted cocoa powder, 5 cups powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 3 to 4 tablespoons milk. Whip butter and cocoa together until smooth in a large bowl. Stir vanilla and powdered sugar. Slowly stream in milk until frosting reaches the desired consistency. You may not use all the milk. Whip again until light and fluffy. About 2 minutes. Now let's put our frosting in a gallon-sized bag. Then cut a small hole in it. Now we can frost our yummy cupcakes. You can enjoy your cupcakes that are delicious and not from a box. Now that you know the ingredients, how to mix them, and how to top them with frosting, you can make the perfect cupcakes.